Corsages and arranging for pictures. It could also mean planning a party. Perhaps you're renting a beach house for teens to get together and celebrate and share memories. Well, if that's your plan, you might want to rethink it. If you want to know how some teens party, it's all over social media. The keg stands, beer pong, shots, lots of shots. Teens admit to drinking anything and everything and to having sex with their crush. To be fair, Beach Week is complicated. Teens argue it's a well-celebrated rite of passage. What can possibly happen? Maybe their parents did it back in the day.
It's a complicated issue. They mean well, it doesn't always go well, but high school graduation is a fun time.
Attorney Michael Goodove says parents need to realize there are tough laws about renting teens and their friends' beach houses and huge risks.
And I think people are crazy and somewhat stupid if they don't pay attention to the legal ramifications of it.
Goodove says if you rent a beach house for teens and there's alcohol and drugs there, you could be arrested and sent to jail. There can be huge lawsuits that can leave you bankrupt. And what if someone leaves the party drunk or there's a sexual assault?
Parents sometimes need to act like parents and less like their kids.
In 2009, the Virginia Supreme Court weighed in on the issue, saying if parents are negligent in the duty of supervising someone else's child, you can be held civilly responsible for damages.
Well, one of the things we know is when they say they want to party with their friends, that usually there's some alcohol involved.
Michelle Tryon, a parent educator at CHKD, says graduation parties can be tough conversations for parents. You might ask your teen to convince you it's a good idea to go and to explain to you how they'll be safe. And if you're thinking of supplying the alcohol?
I think it sends a very mixed message, and teens are already conflicted about some of the choices they're making.
Clearly, some teens today are choosing not to drink. Studies show about 50% don't.
Be sober and have fun. You don't have to be drunk to have fun.
You should be able to learn how to be on your own in college, not at a beach house over the summer with your friends.
As for teens who do drink, the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse reports 1.4 million teens engage in binge drinking. 620,000 have an alcohol use issue. Beach Week may be a tradition for teens, a time to look forward and back and share memories, but somewhere each year it ends badly. What is billed as a celebration can have tragic outcomes for parents and teens, and those memories last a lifetime as well.
As a parent, we have a duty to be a role model for our children, and we have a duty to not only follow the law, but not engage in dangerous or illegal behavior.
And you can join the conversation on our Facebook page. And keep in mind, last year, Virginia Beach Police wrote about 465 tickets for underage drinking.
And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate and